Hey guys, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel. Today's video is a bit different. I am answering the most frequently asked questions about HVAC systems, the questions people search for every single day on Google. Quick, clear, and 100% correct answers. Let's go. FAQ 1. What does HVAC actually mean? Guys, this is the most basic question, but a lot of people are still confused. An HVAC system stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is a comprehensive setup designed to keep your home comfortable by regulating temperature and improving air quality. This system typically includes components like the compressor, the condenser, the evaporator, air filters, ductwork, and a thermostat to control everything. So whenever someone says HVAC, they simply mean the complete system that heats your home in winter, cools it in summer, and keeps the air clean and fresh year-round. FAQ 2. What is the difference between a split system and a ductless mini-split? Guys, this confuses a lot of people. The typical central air conditioning system is split, with an outdoor unit and an indoor unit, conditioning and distributing air through ductwork hidden in the ceiling or walls. A ductless or mini-split system works differently. It is installed directly on the wall, with the indoor unit connecting to the outdoor unit through a small refrigerant pipe, without needing any ductwork at all. Each system has its own advantages. Ducted systems cool the whole house evenly through one network, while mini-splits give you separate control for each individual room. FAQ 3. How often should I change my air filter? Guys, I get this question every single day from customers. To safeguard the performance, efficiency, and lifespan of your system, changing or cleaning your filter once a month is generally recommended, or at minimum once every 3 months if you live in a home with no kids and no pets. Energy Star reports that changing the filter is actually the top DIY action homeowners can take, because a dirty filter can increase energy costs and even damage your equipment, leading to early failure. So guys, please don't ignore this small but very important habit. FAQ 4. How often should I get my HVAC system serviced? This is another extremely common question. Most HVAC professionals recommend having your system inspected twice a year. Once in spring before summer cooling season starts, and once in fall before winter heating season begins. This ensures everything, from the blower motor to the thermostat, is running smoothly. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and keeps your system running at its best efficiency throughout the year. FAQ 5. Why is my AC not cooling properly? Guys, this is probably the #1 complaint technicians receive every single summer. Common air conditioning issues include inadequate cooling, strange noises, and frequent on and off cycling. These problems can be caused by several things: refrigerant leaks, clogged filters, or a malfunctioning thermostat. During hot weather, longer run times can actually be normal for your AC. But if cooling still feels uneven, or the system never seems to properly cycle off, that often points to an underlying airflow or efficiency problem that needs a professional check. FAQ 6. What is the best temperature setting for my thermostat? Guys, to save energy and money on your electricity bill, the general recommendation is a setting of around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius during summer months. Settings should not stay static all day either. Many homeowners adjust the temperature slightly while sleeping or while away from home for maximum efficiency. This is exactly why today's smart learning thermostats have become so popular. They automatically handle these adjustments for you without any extra effort. FAQ 7. What is the difference between R22 and newer refrigerants? Guys, this is becoming a very important question in 2026. R22 is no longer produced or imported in many countries, making it an increasingly outdated and expensive refrigerant to maintain. The industry has shifted toward newer environmentally friendly alternatives like R32 and R454B, which have a much lower environmental impact while still delivering similar cooling performance. If your old system still uses R22, repairs are becoming more expensive simply because the supply of that refrigerant keeps shrinking every year. FAQ 8. What size HVAC system do I actually need? Guys, honestly, there is no single universal answer to this question. Because of differences in room size, building layout, sun exposure, and air leakage, it is nearly impossible to give an exact one-size-fits-all answer without actually inspecting the space. This is exactly why a proper load calculation done by a qualified technician matters so much. Choosing the wrong size, whether too small or too large, leads to poor comfort and wasted electricity for years to come. FAQ 9. Is indoor air quality really that important? Guys, in 2026, this has become one of the biggest topics in HVAC. Homeowners are now thinking about indoor air quality for genuine health and comfort reasons. Concerns like allergies, humidity control, and that stale feeling inside a closed-up house. A well-maintained HVAC system filters dust, controls humidity, and brings in fresh air, directly impacting how healthy your home actually feels day to day. FAQ 10. Is it time to repair or fully replace my system? Guys, this is the final big question almost every homeowner eventually faces. Heating and cooling systems work hardest during extreme weather, so when temperatures spike or drop suddenly, any existing wear or minor issues tend to become noticeable very quickly. If your system is older, needs frequent repairs, and energy bills keep climbing despite regular maintenance, that combination is usually a strong sign that replacement will save you more money than continuing to repair an aging unit. Guys, those were the most frequently asked questions about HVAC systems, answered honestly and correctly. HVAC means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Filters need regular attention. Service twice a year. Refrigerants are changing, and sizing always needs a proper professional check, never just a guess. If this video helped clear up your confusion, please like and share it. Share it with anyone who has ever felt confused about their HVAC system.